I think one of the biggest misconceptions about e-bikes is people don't treat them as if they're a different product category, right? They behave as if it's a smartphone or a laptop. So because the battery is bigger in them and tend to go through a lot more wear and tear because you're riding them, they get in a lot of dust, different conditions. You really ought to be more careful, not just when you're charging them and using them, but really at the very beginning, right? When you're buying it. So our research shows that people are twice as more likely to pay attention to the speed and performance of their bike than whether it meets industry recognized safety standards. So that is a huge gap that I think needs to be consumers need to be educated on. That when they're buying it, sure, I want my e-bike to go fast also, but I also want it to be safe and meet standards and have gone through the rigorous testing. So I think one of the biggest misconceptions that people have about e-bikes is that that all batteries are made the same, and that's just simply not the case. I think the most concerning thing that consumers don't understand about lithium-ion batteries, at least from our research, is that the importance of really being responsible when you charge these devices, right? I think because we use our mobile devices, other things that are powered by lithium-ion batteries so often, and they're by and large fairly safe, right? I think we get into the habit of plugging them in, leaving them plugged in, and then just going about our day, picking them back up, plugging them back in. I think it's really important to pay attention to when it's fully charged, when, if the device feels hot, to unplug it, to really be around the device when it's charging.